Ever wonder how businesses handle their money? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a world not often explored on YouTube, the world of business banking. Now, for most of us, our bank accounts are pretty straightforward. We deposit our paycheck, maybe set up some auto transfers, and call it a day. But for business owners, things get a little more complex. They need accounts that can handle a higher volume of transactions, separate their business finances from personal ones, and offer features that can help them grow their company. That's where business banking accounts come in. There are a ton of different options out there, and today we're focusing on one specific provider, Tide. Tide has become increasingly popular for its user-friendly platform and focus on helping small businesses. But there's one question that always comes up when discussing business accounts: interest rates. So, the big question is, what kind of interest rate can you expect on a Tide business account? Well, the answer might surprise you. Unlike traditional savings accounts, Tide business accounts don't actually offer interest on your deposited funds. Here's why. Focus on growth. Tide positions itself as a financial partner for small businesses, prioritizing features that can directly help them grow. This means things like expense tracking tools, integrations with popular business apps, and debit card controls. While a high interest rate might be enticing, it wouldn't necessarily benefit businesses in the same way these features do. Fee structure. Tide makes its money through monthly subscription fees, not by holding onto your deposited funds. These fees vary depending on the account tier you choose, with higher tiers offering additional features and benefits. Faster access to cash. Because Tide doesn't offer interest, they can potentially offer faster access to your deposited funds. This can be crucial for businesses that need immediate access to cash flow for day-to-day operations or unexpected expenses. So, while you won't be earning interest on your Tide business account, there are definite upsides to consider. Let's take a quick look at some of the features and benefits that might outweigh the lack of interest. Seamless expense tracking. Tide integrates seamlessly with popular accounting software and allows you to categorize transactions effortlessly. This saves a ton of time and hassle compared to manually tracking expenses. Streamlined bill pay. Pay your vendors and contractors directly through your Tide account, eliminating the need for checks or multiple bank transfers. Mobile app convenience. Manage your business finances from anywhere with Tide's user-friendly mobile app. Deposit checks, transfer funds, and view account activity, all on the go. Debit card controls. Set spending limits and restrictions on your Tide debit cards, ensuring you stay within budget and have more control over company spending. Customer support. Tide offers dedicated customer support for businesses, ensuring you have someone to turn to if you have any questions or issues. Now, is a Tide business account right for you? Well, that depends on your specific needs. If you're a small business owner who prioritizes features that can help you manage your finances efficiently and grow your company, then Tide could be a great option. However, if you're primarily looking for an account to store your business savings and earn interest, you might want to consider other options that offer traditional savings account features. Remember, the best business banking solution is the one that best fits your company's unique needs. Do your research, compare different providers, and choose the account that offers the features and benefits that matter most to you. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy growing your business.